So in this Seeking Alpha tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find REITs to invest in here on Seeking Alpha. So once Seeking Alpha is opened up, I want you to go to the top left and press on the arrow, then go down towards it says stock analysis, and then press on stock ideas. So once you're here where it says analysis, I want you to scroll down to where it says REITs. So just keep scrolling down to where it says REITs and then press on that. So once you're here, it'll show you the latest REIT investing analysis. So you can go down, read these different articles, explore whatever you're looking to explore in regards to REITs that could be potentially, I guess, eye-catching for you to invest in. And if you want to find what ticker symbol they're talking about, it'll be pretty straightforward right here. So here's LAND, here's JPGS, O, LTC, etc. You can read the articles, do your own research, and then make your own decisions this way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find REITs to invest in on Seeking Alpha. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.